Welcome to our roundup of the best tennis racket options in 2025. Choosing the right tennis racket can elevate your game. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes, an intermediate player honing your skills, or an advanced competitor seeking precision and power. This year, the market is buzzing with innovative racket designs that cater to every playing style, from spin-heavy baseliners to all-court tacticians. After diving into the latest releases and expert reviews, we've curated a list of the top 5 tennis rackets that stand out for their performance, technology, and versatility. This guide will break down why each racket shines, helping you make an informed choice before you hit the court. Let's explore the best options for 2025. Number 5. Babolat Pure Aero 100 2025. The Babolat Pure Aero 100 2025 secures its spot as the 5th best tennis racket for its exceptional spin and power, tailored for players who dominate from the baseline. Designed with input from top professionals like Rafael Nadal, this racket features an aerodynamic frame and FSI spin technology, which enhances string movement for maximum topspin. Weighing 300 grams with a 100 square inch head size and a 16x19 string pattern, it offers a forgiving sweet spot, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced players seeking to dictate rallies with heavy spin. The 2025 model introduces improved dampening with SWX Pure Feel technology, reducing vibrations for a more comfortable feel, though its stiffness, around 67 RA, may challenge players with arm sensitivity. Its maneuverability shines on quick swings, allowing aggressive baseliners to generate explosive pace and spin. But it may lack stability on volleys compared to heavier frames. Perfect for players who prioritize spin over raw power, the Pure Aero 100 suits those with fast swing speeds who want to control points from the backcourt. Its bold yellow-black cosmetic adds flair, and the open string pattern ensures easy depth on shots. However, players with slower swings, or those preferring control-oriented rackets, might find it less precise. Retailing around $250, it's a premium choice for spin-focused players looking to elevate their game in 2025. Number 4. Head TIS6. The Head TIS6 earns its place as the 4th best racket for 2025, celebrated for its lightweight design and beginner-friendly performance. At just 252 grams with an oversized 115 square inch head, this racket maximizes power and forgiveness, making it perfect for novices and recreational players developing their strokes. Its titanium-infused frame enhances durability and stability, while the 27.75-inch extended length boosts swing leverage for added pop on serves and ground strokes. The 16x19 string pattern provides decent spin potential, though it leans more toward power than precision. With a low stiffness rating, around 65 RA, it offers a soft, arm-friendly feel, ideal for players prone to tennis elbow or those transitioning from smaller rackets. The TIS6's head-heavy balance aids in generating pace with minimal effort, but advanced players may find it lacks the control needed for precise shot-making. Its large sweet spot ensures mishits still land with depth, making it a favorite for casual players or seniors. Retailing around $100, it's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on playability. While not suited for competitive players seeking spin or control, the Head TIS6 remains a top pick for those prioritizing ease of use and comfort in 2025. Number 3. Wilson Blade 104. 2025, ranking 3rd, the Wilson Blade 104 2025 is a versatile powerhouse blending control, feel, and spin for intermediate to advanced players. With a 104 square inch head and 290-gram unstrung weight, it offers a larger sweet spot than its 98 series counterparts, providing forgiveness without sacrificing precision. The 18x19 string pattern and flexible frame, 62 RA, deliver exceptional feel and pocketing, ideal for players who value touch and control over raw power. Its extended 27.5-inch length enhances reach and leverage, making it a favorite for defensive players and those with all-court styles. The 2025 model incorporates Wilson's Direct Connect technology for improved stability, ensuring solid volleys and returns against heavy hitters. While it lacks the explosive power of spin-focused rackets, Its dense string bed offers pinpoint accuracy, perfect for players targeting lines or mixing spin with slice. The blade, 104's headlight balance ensures maneuverability, though it may feel sluggish for players with slower swings. Priced around $230, its sleek green cosmetic and plush feel make it a standout. Best suited for those who blend aggression with finesse, it's a reliable choice for competitive players in 2025. Number 2. Yonex Ezone 100 2025. The Yonx Ezone 100 2025 takes the second spot for its unmatched blend of power, comfort, and versatility, appealing to a wide range of players. Weighing 300 grams with a 100 square inch head and 16x19 string pattern, it delivers a lively yet controlled response, perfect for intermediates and advanced players alike. The 2025 iteration features Yonex's 2G NAMD speed graphite for enhanced flex and snapback, providing a plush feel and increased spin potential. Its isometric head shape expands the sweet spot, ensuring consistent performance on off-center hits. With a stiffness rating of 65 RA, it balances power and arm-friendly comfort, making it a great alternative to stiffer rackets like the Pure Drive. The Ezone 100 excels in generating easy depth and spin, ideal for baseline rallies and aggressive serving. Its maneuverability suits quick swings, though it may lack the precision of smaller-headed control rackets. Endorsed by players like Jack Draper, its vibrant blue design and responsive feel make it a favorite. Priced around $240, it's a top-tier option for players seeking a forgiving yet powerful racket in 2025. Number 1. Babolat Pure Drive 2025. Topping the list, the Babolat Pure Drive 2025 is the ultimate all-around racket, renowned for its explosive power, spin, and versatility. At 300 grams, with a 100 square inch head and 16x19 string pattern, it caters to players from intermediate to professional levels, including endorsers like Andy Roddick. The 2025 model features an updated HTR system for enhanced torsional stability, delivering crisp, powerful shots without sacrificing control. Its 70 RA stiffness provides a lively response, though SWX Pure Feel technology mitigates vibrations for improved comfort. Ideal for aggressive baseliners, it generates effortless pace and spin, making it easy to hit deep, penetrating shots. The Pure Drive's balanced maneuverability shines on serves and ground strokes, though it may feel less stable on volleys compared to control-oriented frames. Its iconic blue design and large sweet spot ensure accessibility for players of varying styles. Retailing around $250, it's a premium investment for those seeking a racket that excels in all court areas. While not as spin-focused as the Pure Aero, its versatility and power make it the best tennis racket for 2025.